Let's talk about prevention. In our high-stress world with unending waves of problems, we focus more on solving than preventing. So here are examples of trying to solve versus preventing. Solving is disciplining your children. That means punishing undesired behavior. Prevention is empowering your children. That means help them learn or remember desired behavior. Solving often involves apologizing. Prevention is maintaining respect, value, compassion, and kindness. Then you'll have nothing to apologize for. Solve is going for sex therapy. Prevention is establishing small moments of connection throughout the day. One negative effect on focusing on solving problems is it makes them seem more important than anything else. There's a neurological principle: whatever you focus on becomes more important than what you don't focus on. So just focusing on trying to solve the problem makes it seem more important than the relationship. But an attitude of prevention makes personal and relationship well-being the most important things.